Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install some custom ringtone for free on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open App Store and just write in App Store ringtones. So here you will find some application ringtones for iPhone. So just click Get and just wait until it will successfully install. Touch ID to install. So everything okay. So just wait some time after it will successfully download it and install on your mobile phone, and you will open it and use so just click on open after it will install it and just wait until it will open. Just click OK, allow, continue. So here you can see that you can also try 1 week for free. So now you just hold play some music and hold here when you play some music to record it, and after it will record your music you can also install this music composition like your ringtone. Use it like your ringtone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.